Happy belly.
The alienated Hulk looks around, observant of his surroundings. Cucumber Man approaches, carrying a lonely apple in his hand. Hey dude, stop eating that junk food. Don't you know it's bad for you? Righteous.
No! Alright, I'll try the apple. It could be healthy.
Banana Man, Banana Man.
Who is
does
that?
have a
Who
banana
is
can.
that? Who is?
You don't need this junk food, man.
Why is there a string attached to my donut?
I don't know. Yeah, man, eat the apple. It's good for you. There's lots of vitamins and nutrients.
This is amazing.
Yeah, doesn't it make you feel healthy?
It does. I mean, yeah.
Dude, you got skinny.
I can see my cute feet. I love being skinny!
Dude, this is why you need to eat healthy
What's
so you
that
can
hand
stay
doing?
skinny and be awesome. Ah! Oprah, save me!
I'm not Oprah!
Oh my god! He ate me!
Remember,
And remember,